idol. Handshake na boss. Okay, all good. Press call. Tip off. First quarter. First possession ng play ko na pa open floor. Nabitindi na yung mga ng field. That's not about 15 seconds shot. You. Here goes the SNG Castillo bringing down the ball. Nice pass. Herrera reverse. Pass.
Karambos ha.
15 seconds shot clock. Going out to Berkaya. Locating the Leon. Open fires. Back on Wolverine. Manu. Lopez. Posting up. The small guy. Helping din sa Coleman. Perimeter jump shot. Malakas. At ang bola babalik sa baong purple. At medyo malamig pa ang ating mga idol. Wala pa rin nakakapuntos. 8 minutes and 15 lead. Coleman regain the ball. Coleman pass to Maria. 15 seconds shot. You locating the Leon. 10 seconds to shoot. De Leon, back to you. 5 seconds shot clock. 15 rebound ang Paulo Lopez. Tatakbo naman ang Wolverine Herrera. Kick out to B-Boy. Paglinaw fake. 15 to shoot. Paglinaw. 2 points. B-Boy. First flat. Castro. Pass to Herrera. 15 seconds to shoot. Herrera to Maglinaw to Castillo. Back to Maglinaw. 10 seconds shot clock. B-Boy, malakas. Rebound. Diretso sa kamay ng Murayama. Back to Maxwell para sa kanya. Reed. Castro. Pass to Herrera. 15 seconds to shoot. Manu. To B-Boy. By violation. Shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot. It's a no steal. Napag-wide Coleman. De Leon using his left before.
Assist Murayama. Grabe.
Rapas. Manu in traffic. Masyado masikip. Pero no problem. Mula kay Manu to Boyd. 6-4 sa ating score since 2015. Corona. Bigyan ka pa sa purple. 3 by Pagkayo. 10 seconds to shoot. Murayama para sa Paulo. Nice pass sa gitna. Pagkayo malakas. Bigyan ka pa na B-Boy. Castro. 2 points Castro. Angier. Looking for some speed. First shot out to 15. Another shot by you. 2 points you. Nakatapak magsalingas sabi ni Boss. Castro ready for his teammates. 15 seconds shot clock. Castillo to Manu. 10 seconds to shoot. Lopez on the action. 5 to shoot. Bola babalik sa paupo-po. Number 2, Murayama. Locating you on the left. Tuloy sa taas. Lumagyan na po. Personal power, Steve. Castro pass to Castillo. Back to Castro. Back to Castillo. Fires away. No, rebound Lopez. Lopez. Malakas. Castro this time. Drop pass to Maglino. Pero deflection para kay Galeo. Tatagor naman sa open flow. Urayama. Despuelo. Hindi ka na play. Blazing in. Manu. 3. 5 minutes. Mandatory substitution.
Kuha ka dyan, ako, kuha mo. Balik!
Na 9-6, 9-8 ang ating official score. Laban natin sa dito na ako si Jalen Williams. Mendoza, pass to Murayo. Shot clock down to 15. Mendoza, to the bottom. 10 to shoot. Ibanez. Rebound by Lopez. Flores. Paul. Unang bitaw sa fly. Rebound Mendoza.
Salam bro, salam.
Number 0, Paul Flores, dribbling the ball. Flores to Herrera, 15 to shoot. Herrera, too strong, rebound. And there's a foul. Oh, a foul by jersey number 28, Lopez. Lopez, his second personal foul. Dalawang nakagad para sa big man ng SNJ. Bola na nito para sa one for pass to Urayama, locating the ball. Ball pass to Sully.
Foul!
He throws right at Sully. This is the first throw. Dribbling the ball. Finding Paul from the weak side. Oh, 3! Lawrence. Ball by jersey number 34, Mendoza. For the free throw, makakuha dyan. 4-point play. Lawrence. Oh, couldn't get the basket. Roll the levels at the score. Flores ang atake. Flores is dropping the ball sa taas. Mula kaya solid. Hindi ka pwede na lang dyan. Isa With purple, 13-12, under 3 minutes ng ating aksyon. Herrera pass to Manu. 15-second shot clock. Using some screen. Manu, 3! Changing the favor again. Mendoza. Invites back to Juarez on the goal. Herrera, 2 points. Biglang ngayon dito sa apat ng bante. Si Jason Pinto.
Hey, huwag yung tignan. Mag-pause na lang kayo. Yan, ayusin yung depensa, no?
Ball sa buong purple. Wala na po pwede sa Mendoza. Mendoza. 15 to shoot. Juarez. Paul. Open finds. 3 points. Juarez. Balik na press. Balik na sa kapat. Mendoza. Dribbling the ball. Mendoza sasagot. Here comes Paul. Locating his teammate underneath. Castro. Out of bounds. Bola babalik na naman sa Purple. Mendoza. Ang may tama ng bola. Lagi na sa sino. Unayang. Moving. Way up using drop. Juarez. Paul. 15 seconds to shoot. Paul, pass to Manu. 10 second shot clock. Sa gitna, cutting by Herrera, locating Castro in the corner. 5 seconds to shoot. And there's a contact once again. A pushing foul by jersey number 28. And solid personal foul. Third team foul. Akyat sa tagbuo, it's 21-18 under 1 minute ng ating aksyon in the first quarter. Uriama to Mendoza. Solid. Traveling. 48.7 seconds remaining.
Baba. Harap.
Paul. Diskarte para sa Wolverines. Castro for 3. Too strong. 10 seconds to shoot. Manu escapes 2 points. On the other side, Uriama against Wolverines. Herrera to Lopez. Lopez back to Herrera. Oh, 2 points. Nagawa pa ng paraan. Ibanez. 10 seconds remaining. Floater malabas. Rebound foul. Herrera. And of the first quarter, which was 27-18, leading by NJ Wolverines. ball, SMJ Homewood. Second quarter. Number 0, Flores. Flores bigay mo pass to Castillo. Castillo, bigay kay B-Boy. B-Boy, nakaharang yan solid. Labas mo na kay Flores. Hesitation, drive closer. Drop pass to Punsalan. Punsalan. 2 points, Punsalan. 6 bilang kay Flores. Balikan mo na pala ng video. Mercado, 15 to shoot. Mercado, tries away. Short. Rebound. Mercado. Set up play by Mercado. 10 seconds to shoot. For the shot. Hughes to Mercado. And solid drop back. Rebound. Inbound fight. Dalawa lang pasti. Mercado. Susunod na siya. This time wala sa kaya. Dalawa lang pasti. 10 seconds to shoot. Tries to shoot. Meanwhile, SJ crossover by Flores. Flores to Punsalan. Punsalan takes away. Wala. Rebound. Nagilaw ang pera sa Porcalia with active hands. Herrera. Grab it closer to the basket. Blazing in. Mercado. 15 seconds left. You. To the line. 3 points. Bahay sa boot. 41-21, 7-8-40. The second quarter. Flores dribbling the ball. Shot clock down to 15. Flores using the screen. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul by jersey number 28, Absolid. Number 28, Absolid. Second personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw, Herrera. Couldn't get the basket, pero Punsalan taps the rebound. Lakas, Flores. And there's a foul downstairs. A foul committed by jersey number 7, Porcalia. Number 7, Porcalia. Second personal foul, second team foul. Still Woboy ball. Castillo to Herrera, 10 seconds to shoot. Herrera, atake. Deep to do, wala. Rebound na kukuha niyang solo. B-Boy, power play para sa big man. Against Ponte sa ilalim. Meanwhile, Mercado dribbling the ball. Mercado, 15 seconds left. Rebound sa Gary. Mercado, switching to back. 10 seconds to shoot. Time out. 2 points running. balik na kita sa Wolverine. Sa takbo si Maglinaw. The big man trailing down. Maglinaw locating Paul. 50 to shoot. Nice move. Ang dalawa layup. Flores. Napakagat sa depensa. The hesitation itself. Mercado. Herrera. Another foul this time by number 51 U. Number 51 U, first personal foul, third team foul. Free throws by Herrera. A 1-2. Palatory, pasok player. Lorex, pass to Herrera. Herrera to Mano. Mano to Maglinaw. Oh, steal! Ako ay Herrera, pausap po ang Albanesa. Wala. Tapi ganun po lang sa ako ka rin tayo. Sinaga. Wala pa rin sa pagpupunto. Ibanez. Natin uwi. Ang Albanesa sa Ibanez. Go now!
Nice one, nice one.
Maglinaw. Oh, that's what. Pero si Maglinaw na giving up the play. Paul dribbling the ball. Herrera, 15 to shoot. Mano for 3. Wala, rebound tapi na sa taas ang Juan Herrera. Oh, nice stop. Lawrence setting up. Pass to Herrera. Shot clock down to 15. Herrera. Nagitna kay Castro sa pass kay Mano. Dinala na po. Gandang idea sana sa kanilang backdoor play. Controlling the game. Chan using the pressure. Chan. Avoiding the lead of this personal foul. Second team foul. First attempt. It is Pilarin Lumaya. Last attempt. 3 minutes and 3 seconds to go. Paul dribbling the ball against Mendoza. Mano in the middle. Herrera. Open shot. 3 points. Herrera. Paul, step back 3. Too strong. Rebound sa taas. Nakukuha na naman ang Paul. Mendoza for 3. Maglilira. Cross over. B-boy. Pero may foul na nakita sa red card. Jersey number 31 ang matatawa ni Gian. Roman.
Hey, JP.
Warning for penalty para sa Baong Purple. Mano. Pass to Paul. 15 to shoot. Herrera. 10 second shot clock. Naglilinaw. Size advantage. B-boy. 2 points. B-boy. The big man. Connects. Mendoza. Locating Roman.
Hey, JP.
1:38. Wallace slowing down the pace.
Defense! Defense! Kamay! Kamay!
15 second shot clock.
Tao! Tao! Ilalim! Ilalim!
10 seconds to shoot. Ang error para sa SNJ. Balik ang bola sa Baong Purple. This time Mendoza ang magtatawid.
Bawasan nyo! Bawasan! Oy! Ayun na! Ayun na!
Man, ang minute to go. Manu. For 3. Wala. Rebound. Murayama. Open.
Ilalim mo! Ilalim mo! Hey! Ilalim mo ba?
Wallace. 15 to shoot. Wallace. Wala. Rebound Manu. And a foul by jersey number 34. Mendoza. It goes by Manu Lopez. Number 34 Mendoza, second personal foul penalty. Oras na natitira, 16 seconds to go. Naglada rin sa tambola, balik na naman sa Paul Purple under 14.4 seconds. The last shot para sa home, Chino Murayama. Chino, vice no ball. Maglinaw, 2.5 seconds remaining.
Wala nakita sa isa.
Third quarter. Number 11, Mercado dribbling the ball. Mercado pass to Solid. Nakita si De Leon for 3. 3 points. Zero. Baka sila dapat takot ni Kilo dun ah. Castillo. Setting up para sa Woodward. Shot at penalty. 10 seconds to shoot. On the attack, Chino Murayama. Good response para sa Paul Porpolo. Castro, pass to Castillo. Castillo to Bidon. Small defender. Mercado. Foul downstairs by jersey number 3, Castillo. Number 3, Castillo. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots para kay Chino Murayama.
Silang bro, silang.
Oh, walang release para kay Murayama. Nice pass, B-boy. Here comes you on the attack, another foul by jersey number 3. Number 3, Castillo, his third personal foul, second team foul. In that pass received by Mercado. 10 seconds to shoot. De Leon. 5 to shoot. Mercado. 10 seconds to shoot. Lopez slowing down the tempo. Turning Castro sa wing. D-Boy with a proper shot. Wala. Leading is on this again. D-Boy. Oh, there's a whistle by Jersey number 4. Puntala. Mercado. Taas pass ng solid. Nabitawan ng bola. Sino ang gawa ng CJ? Pipingin. Wala. Mercado, 15 second shot clock. De Leon, no. Nabigay kay Yu dribbling the ball. Pass to Coleman. Coleman locating Ibanez. Ibanez fires a 3. No. Rebound. Balik na naman sa Paco. Rather, S&J Wolverines. Ibanez now the lane, locating you in the corner. Nice hit. Ang nakita na rin doon. Nauna ang pivot. Juarez. 15 seconds shot clock. Herrera. Back to goal. Open fires. Second personal foul. It goes by Paul Flores. Play back in 57-12, biglang ngayon naman ito sa kabata ng S&J. Coleman dribbling the ball. Bounce pass to Porcalia. Porcalia pass to you. Shot clock down to 15. You on the attack. Niwan ang bola kay Cassias. Taking a shot. 3 points. Cassias. Ang dagger. Wala sa pauman. 4 minutes and 54. Lawrence. 15 seconds to shoot. There's a foul by jersey number Clarification, last ball rep. Pwede 40. Herrera huling natawagan. Turnover para sa Pacumba. 57-40, 4 minutes and 3 seconds sa ating third quarter. Pwede na naman sunod, lapit lang po sa official stadium.
Saba ko.
15 seconds shot clock. Herrera, Lady Castro. 10 seconds to shoot. Penetration no and rebound. Two. Wala.
Baba! 4 minutes eh.
3 points.
Pwede sub, di ba?
Balik na naman sa 20, 60-40 sa score. Ibanez dribbling the ball against Castro. Ibanez, pass to Coleman, 15 to shoot. Coleman to you placing in. Got blocked.
Sub ko na.
Substitution. Involved by Murayama, shot clock down to 9 seconds to shoot. You, for 3. Wala, rebound. Nice pass lang kay Delcano. Shot clock 19. Warning for delaying the game, number 28, Solid. Warning Ibanez on the move, losing the ball. Nabitawan pa ni Idol. Substitution. Sabarap. Wala received by Castro.
Laban tao.
Put the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Acting hands. Same ball, shot number 15.
Sub.
Wala bigay kay Murayama. Atake bigla. Floater, short. Win. Ball, 15 seconds to shoot. B-boy. Bounce back. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal. Murayama. 2 points. Basa 18, 64-2, 2 minutes at action for Castillo yung bola. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. Tatak mula si Yu. One minute and 30 to go sa ating third quarter. B-Boy. Team B-Boy. Wala. Rebound Castro. Wala pa rin.
Uncounted. Foul.
2 points Murayama.
Okay, laban. Defense. Back to muna. Up. Nice. Nice one.
Number 18 na rin.
One more. Nice. Kamay.
Murayama on the goal. Yes, tap by jersey number 8 Castro. Number 8 Castro. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Both teams warning for penalty. Free throws by Murayama. This is the first throw.
May time out pa dito. Meron pa, pero tatlo.
Last attempt para kay Murayama. Another miss. 0 out of 2 in the line. 43 seconds to go. Paul with lead.
Mat.
Yan. 20 seconds remaining. Murayama. 15 seconds remaining. It is power 2 points. De Leon. 5 seconds remaining. Leading by S&J Wolverines. Last 10 minutes of the game. And Stanley West sa ating next game. Fourth quarter. And we'll see it. Oh! Active hands by Castro. Bola bigay kay Mercado. 3 points Mercado.
Yan, laban tayo.
Ba tayo sa level 67-47.
Time out niya kami pagka na ano, time out.
Mercado. For 3 again. Too strong this time. Rebound Flores. Layup is good for Flores. Mercado pass to Murayama. Murayama, didiskarte. Shaka down 15, takes it. Murayama, 3 points. Aba ulit sa blackjack. 21 na naman. Flores. A pressure. Ikami para sa paung. Mano to Flores. Flores sa kawala. Castro. Easy to Flores. Mercado to you. You sidestep, layup. No. Rebound Castro.
Kapag pwede.
Bibigdet Murayama. Oh, nice layup. 2 points Murayama. Now, Wallace. Wallace to him. Now, 15 to shoot. 10 seconds shot clock. D-boy. 2 points D-boy. Mercado to you. You for 3. Too strong. Viva Flores. Coleman takes, no, rebound D-boy. Castro, Coleman. Murayama loses the ball. Pass to Anzoli. Anzoli, creating space, no. Coleman for the board. Mercado, short. Inilaw para you. Maglinaw. B-boy for three. In transition, Murayama. Gets an airborne play. A foul by jersey number 28, Lopez. Number 28, Lopez, third personal foul. First team foul. On the free throw, Murayama. Kompleto para kay Murayama. Baba tayo sa 22. 77-55. Bola. Pupulong ka ni Castro. Ball. Ball. 4-3. Nakukuha ng paun. 2 points, you! Baba tayo sa 20 ulit. 5 minutes and 33. Lawrence. Tumano. Mano to pass to Pupulong. 15 to shoot. B-boy. Double team. Triple team. Drop pass.
Dapat sinabaw mo kasi iba yung spam natin.
Mendoza, nangunti ka naman maagaw. Wala. Yung kay Castro. 2 points here. You. On the move. Reverse. Malakas. Rebound. Lopez. Inagawa lang ni Mendoza. Murayama with a fair 2 points. And solid to you. 2 points, you. Brady Watson, 3 minutes and 40. Lawrence. Murayama. Oh, the block. And a foul, double black eye. Foul by jersey number 2.
Kasi hindi ko nadala yung scatter. Bakit mo ko yung isang cellphone ko na lang.
Bola. Bigay kayo ng report ni Herrera. Castro back to Herrera. 15 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds to Maglino. Mendoza to you. 2 points at Sully.
Pababain nyo. Go, go. Laban, laban.
10 to shoot. 4, 5 to shoot. You on the attack. 2 points, you. Taylor is 7. Oh, that's no, wala kay Chino. Another pushing foul by jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, Morayama. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Rep! Rep! Wala naman!
Bola received by Paul. Paul.
Ayan na, ayan na.
15.
Oh, harap, harap! Shed, lapit na, lapit!
Ilapit.
Taas, taas, taas! Rep, rep! Wala naman!
Got blocked by Maglino. One minute and 44 to go. Shot clock 16. Murayama. 2 points, Murayama. The Black Mamba moves.
Tap, tap, tap. Kung ano ready mo, pagyansa. Sokol ka lang.
Pagkuha niya ng bola, pakulang.
Hindi naman sinasadya eh.
Hindi ka nakapasok ha? Tama, tama.
13 sabi ko.
Pababae nyo lang, try nyo next points ka, try nyo. Tapos depensa.
Shot clock 14 seconds to shoot. Mendoza for 3. Wala.
Ganyan!
In and out. Mercado. 3 points. Castro. Mercado. 3 points. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. D-Boy at the buzzer. Next game naman tayo.
Mali-mali yung rason niya eh. Umibang ba yung nakagalit ng goal? Bro. Ayan, nadolat. Chino.